What if I told you that the reason your vision is slowly becoming cloudy is not just aging, and that something very simple could help protect your eyesight before it's too late? Many people wake up one day and notice something feels different. The world doesn't look as sharp as it used to. Lights seem too bright. Night driving becomes uncomfortable. Reading small text requires more effort. Colors don't look as vibrant. At first, they ignore it. They blame tiredness, too much screen time, or simply growing older. But slowly, the blur increases. What's really happening inside the eye? Inside each of your eyes, there is a natural lens. This lens is normally crystal clear. It allows light to pass through and helps you see sharp, detailed images. Think of it like a clean glass window. But over time, that clear lens can begin to turn cloudy. Proteins inside the lens start breaking down and clumping together. This clouding blocks light from passing properly. That condition is called cataract. It usually develops slowly. In the early stages, you may barely notice it. But as it progresses, vision becomes more blurred. You may see halos around lights. Night vision becomes difficult. Reading feels harder. Faces may not look as clear. Cataracts are most common after the age of 50. By the time people reach 60 or 70, many begin to show early signs. Aging is the biggest risk factor, but it's not the only one. Long-term exposure to sunlight can damage the lens. Diabetes increases risk. Smoking accelerates damage. Poor diet and high oxidative stress also play a major role. Even certain medications, like long-term steroid use, can contribute. But here's something most people don't realize. One of the biggest hidden causes behind cataract formation is oxidative stress. Free radicals, unstable molecules in the body, attack and damage the delicate proteins in the eye lens. Over time, this damage builds up. When your body doesn't have enough antioxidants to defend itself, the lens becomes more vulnerable. So the real question becomes, are you giving your eyes the protection they need? Before I reveal the simple natural food that may help support your eye health, take a moment to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Here, we talk about natural health solutions that can support your body before problems become serious. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable information. Now, let's talk about that powerful food. It's something small, something simple, something most people overlook. Sunflower seeds. Yes, those tiny seeds carry an impressive amount of nutrients that support eye health. They are one of the richest natural sources of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin E helps protect cells from oxidative damage. And remember, oxidative stress is one of the main contributors to cataract formation. By helping neutralize free radicals, vitamin E may support the protection of the eye lens over time. Sunflower seeds also contain selenium, which supports antioxidant enzymes in the body. They provide zinc, which plays an important role in maintaining healthy vision. And they contain healthy fats that support cell membrane integrity. This combination makes them a simple but powerful addition to a balanced diet aimed at supporting long-term eye health. Now, how should you use them? The key is moderation and consistency. One small handful per day, about 1 to 2 tablespoons, is enough. Choose raw or dry roasted sunflower seeds without added salt. Avoid heavily salted or fried versions, as excess sodium can create other health problems. You can sprinkle them over yogurt in the morning. Add them to salads. Mix them into oatmeal. Blend them into smoothies. Or simply eat them as a light snack. Because vitamin E is fat-soluble, it absorbs better when taken with a meal that contains healthy fats. So morning or midday, alongside breakfast or lunch, is usually ideal. Now let's be clear. Sunflower seeds are not a cure for cataracts. If a cataract becomes advanced, surgery is often the most effective treatment. But supporting your body with antioxidant-rich foods may help reduce risk and support overall eye health over time. Prevention is always easier than treatment. Your eyes work for you every single day. They allow you to see your loved ones, read, drive, and experience the beauty of the world. The question is, are you doing enough to protect them? Sometimes Small daily habits make the biggest difference in the long run. If you found this information helpful, share it with someone over 50 who cares about their vision. And let me know in the comments, how important is eye health to you? I'll see you in the next video.